Okay everyone, we're on location at the Salt River and we're going to show you guys how to make these awesome sponge bombs. So let's go. And it came.
The things you will need to make the sponge bombs are sponges, scissors, and some hair ties. And then you're going to cut them into thirds. It looks a little bit better if you use all different colors, as you saw in the beginning of the video with our other sponge bomb. And then you're going to stack them by alternating colors. You're doing 3 sets of 3. Now you're going to grab your hair tie and you're going to tie them in place. And all you have to do is dunk it in water and grab some friends.
Alright guys, these are ready for the fight. Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to Kids Class by 3 Sisters. Today we have some very special guests with us. We are here with the Decavage kids. So let's have them introduce themselves. What's your name? What's your name? Henry. Trent. Nora. Grant. Merritt. We're going to test out our sponge bombs. Girls versus boys.
Wait, I'm gonna throw it at the camera, okay?
Okay, don't throw anywhere. That's enough. I mean, why would you throw it that high?
Okay guys, we're here on location at the Salt River. That was too soon.
Where are we?
At the Salt River.
What'd you find?
A tadpole. Where I have it there. No, Gigi, you're not taking it. You can find your own. Mommy, okay, I gotta go let
What
it
does
go.
a tadpole turn into?
A frog. Mommy, she won't.